Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy and excited you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels as well as any other participating channels that will be listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to get busy doing the lunch prep for my husband's lunch for this week. I'm traveling and going out of town, so I'm making food to keep him sustained and to take to work with him while I'm away. I have just packed up some almonds and some cashews and walnuts in some little packages for his lunches. I have the lunch bins all laid out here and labeled, and I have a spoon wrapped in a napkin in each one. The eggs are done. I'm packing up some olives for my husband's lunch too. He loves these feta cheese stuffed olives. We have some cheddar cheese sticks. Now I'm going to dish up some cottage cheese in these little containers. The eggs are peeled and ready to put into their containers. I've cut up the celery and I'll get this packaged up to put in the lunch bins as well. The celery is packaged and in the lunch bins, and now I'll get all of these to the refrigerator. But first, I'm going to wash out the refrigerator just like I always do before I start off the week. Everything's clean and the lunch bins are all put away in the refrigerator. I'd be so happy if you check out the other channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.